Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum dear student. I am Shahzad Malik here with 6th lecture of class 3rd. Today we will discuss about fraction. Now we are start chapter number 2 and topic is that fraction. What is a fraction? What is the definition of fraction? So, the definition is fraction is that a fraction represent part of whole when something is broken up into a number of parts. The fraction shows how many of these parts you have. Now we have some figures. We have many figures. Number 1 square, number 2, number 3, number 4. Now these are figures in fraction form. Now circle is that in mathematically 1, and there is another circle. There are 2 parts which is shows in mathematical in the form of 1 upon 2. 2 means part, and third figure is that there is a 4 parts. Now in mathematically form we can write 1 upon 4. Now in other example, circle. Now there are 4 parts which is colored in 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Then we write in mathematically form 3 upon 4. You can see there student. Now here 1 part is colored, then write in mathematically 1 upon 2, and another circle there are 4 parts, but 1 part is colored. Then we write mathematically 1 upon 4. Another example, there are 4 parts which is colored in 3 parts. Then we can write in the form of 3 upon 4. Now another example, I have a figure. For example, you can see, student, you can see they are a square. Okay. Now one figure, but there are 4 parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 parts. 4 parts. This is a figure of square. You can see circle. Student, if we cut slightly 1 part, for example this, then we write in the form of 1 upon 4. Okay. Student, if we color 1 part, there are 4 parts here, square figure, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. For example, this is a circle and this is a square. Here 4 parts and here 4 parts. I can say the color in 3 parts. 1 part is colored, this is a color, and second part is colored, and third part is colored. Then we write in the form of 3 upon 4. Okay, students. So in other, but in this book you have a common fraction, proper fraction. What is a common fraction? What is a common fraction? How I can recognize the common fraction and proper fraction? Then I will discuss tomorrow common fraction and proper fraction. Today lecture will be finished. That's all today. We will meet again inshallah.